Hi, welcome to xLR, your Excel learning resources. This video is from our 2-minute short series that focuses on quick video snippets covering basic Microsoft Excel functions. In this video, we are covering one of the most used basic Excel functions, called sum. The sum function in Microsoft Excel is quite a versatile one, and is used to add the numbers, either by directly providing an input as a function argument, or provide references as an individual cell or in a range of cells within Excel. Excel allows mixing up of arguments too. That means, you can provide numbers as well as a cell references to perform a sum operation on. Here we are demonstrating both the ways to use the sum function. For the first one, we simply provided 1 and 2 as two arguments to the sum function, separated by a comma, which tells Excel that more than one arguments have been provided. In the second, we are providing cell references within the Excel sheet to perform a sum operation on. This can come in handy when working with large sets of data that can potentially change frequently, and can be considered the best way to use the sum function. For the second method, we have provided cell references within the sheet to perform a sum operation on. In cell C7, we have added the function equal to, followed by sum, further followed by the cell references, A7 and B7, which are enclosed in braces. Finally, we have the third method, where we have mixed up the function arguments, providing a static number, 1, then the cell reference, B7, and a third cell reference C6. The ability of the sum function to allow a variety of input arguments for numbers is what makes it a really versatile and useful function in Microsoft Excel. We hope this video helped you learn an Excel function to improve your knowledge of Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and help them learn something new and upskill.